Welcome to this video on the updated Present Live functionality in Microsoft Forms. So there's been some changes to this since I last did a video. I thought I'd just do a quick one to have a look at what Present Live looks like now. And we're going to do that together. So I'm in a quiz at the moment, and if you remember, Present is in the top right hand corner. So let's go and have a look at what that looks like. So when I click that, you can see I have my information in the screen. What's interesting is it's showing me this detail here now. I've got some answers already in this, so this is why I use this one. It's showing me a tree map view, but I can see a bar view as well to see what answers are going on there. And you can see I've got multiple questions, so it will give me the information. Now, this is great for quizzes, it's great for surveys, and anything like that. Obviously, it's a quiz, so it will show me the correct answer if I need to see that. But this tree map option is a newer version which might be quite useful for surveys rather than quizzes, but it just gives you a different view of the results when you're on the screen, which is quite useful. As before, you've got the QR code on the right hand side. You can, I believe, get rid of that, so hide it and open it up, and you can expand and enter full screen on this as well. Doesn't work on what I am sharing, but it will just show a nice view of what's going on there, so you can really hide. And if you want to open up the QR code as well, it's just to the left hand side of where it says tree map, and that will reopen up the QR code if you want people to be able to use that and put their answers into either the survey or the quiz. So there's a few different ones there. You can even copy the link and then paste that into an instant message or a meeting chat or something like that. So that's nice and some great functionality. And it still looks really pretty and very visual on the screen, which is great when you are interacting in a meeting, whether that be face-to-face or online. It just looks nice and clean and nice and professional, and you can see the detail really easy. So definitely have a look at the changes there, have a look at what works best for you, and remember, you can hide that QR code if you need to. You've got the new tree map, and you can show the correct answer if it's a quiz as well. So that's a really great example there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.